some rapids in between two lakes. Why is this important? Sit back and watch. Hello YouTube, Mark here with another episode of TheGEOShow brought to you today by the Geo Scholar. Tampere, Finland is known as Manchester of Finland. Why? Because of its industrial past. Tampere, Finland became well known for its textile industry in Finland, similar to how Manchester would be known for its textile industry in England. How all of this came about, geography played a big role. Tampere, Finland is the third largest city in Finland, and it is also the largest inland city in the Nordic region. Tampere is located in between two lakes, Näsijärvi and Pyhäjärvi. There is a difference in elevation between the two lakes of 59 feet, or 18 meters. Because of this, there are rapids connecting both lakes, the Tammerkoski Rapids. The textile industry as well as other industries grew in Tampere because of the water power that came from the Tammerkoski Rapids. Geography would make Tampere an industrial center in Finland. Access to water power facilitated industrial growth. The Tammerkoski Rapids still play a part for Tampere today, mainly for generating electricity via hydroelectric power. If you like this video, check out other videos on my channel. And as always, do not forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.